Namaskaram. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. This video is made for students of Bharatanatyam. There are 7 basic talas and 5 jatis. We have to be able to recite these jatis in all the talas in 3 different speeds. The 3 speeds are the Vilambita, that is the slow speed, the Madhyama, that is the second speed, and the Drita, that is the third speed or the fastest speed. Vilambita, Madhyama, Drita. The Madhyama speed or the second speed is double the speed of the first speed, Vilambita. The third speed or the Dhritakal is double the speed of the Madhyama and 4 times the speed of the Vilambita. This is what we explore when we do the tala, and this is what gives us a control. That is, it keeps us in laya. When you dance or sing, you're supposed to be in laya. What is being in laya? When you're able to control your speed such that when you go to the second speed, it becomes exactly the double of first speed, and the third speed, when you go to the third speed, it becomes exactly the double of the second speed. That is when you are said to be in laya. To be able to be in laya, you have to practice tala recitation. We shall now do the basic tala known as the Ekatala, Chatursha Ekatala. We shall recite Chatursha Jati in Chatursha Ekatala. Chatursha Jati is recited as Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. It has got 4 aksharas. And you recite it Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. This is Ekatala where there is only a Laghu. Only beating and counting the fingers. No clapping and waving. It's only beating and counting of the fingers. And Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi is what the bol or the sholla for this particular tala is. When we recite it in 3 speeds, please observe, in the first speed we have only 1 syllable. The words that you use like takka dhimi, takkitta, tak tajam, kidatakatari tom, tak kidatakatari tom. These are the syllables that you use. Tadinginna tom. These are all called mridangam syllables. When a Bharatanatyam dancer performs to these recitation of these syllables, she is doing a jati. She is performing a jati. A combination of various steps, when done together, forms a jati or a korvai. When this particular korvai is done to a chollukettu, a mridangam chollukettu, then it becomes a jati. Usually a jati or a korvai ends with a tirmanam. Now we shall recite the Chatursha Jati. Please don't get confused between Jati and Jati. There are 5 Jatis: Tishram, Chatushram, Khandam, Mishram, Sankirnam. Tishram has 3 aksharas, Chatushram has 4, Khandam has 5, Mishram has 7, and Sankirnam has 9. We shall learn to recite each of this in 3 speeds in Ekatala. We will start with Chatursha Jati in Chatursha Ekatala. Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. So in the first speed you have 1 syllable in each beat, in each akshara. When you have to double this speed in the Madhyama Kala, each beat or each akshara will have 2 syllables. Like this. Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi, Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. So you are using 2 takadhimis in 1 avartanam. What is avartanam? Avartanam is 1 complete cycle of the tala. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a complete cycle of a Chatursha Ekatala. In that 1 complete cycle, in the slow speed I have 1 syllable. Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. In the second speed I have to double it. So I have 2 syllables. Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi, Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. In the third speed I have to have 4 syllables because third speed is double that of the second speed. So it becomes Takka, Dhi, Mi, Takka, Dhi, Mi, Takka, Dhi, Mi, Takka, Dhi, Mi, Ta. So I think you must have understood now how the third speed is double that of the second speed and 4 times that of the first speed. Now we will recite the 3 speeds of Chatursha Jati in Chatursha Ekatala. Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. ka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka dhimmi ta. We have done the increasing way of recitation. We shall now add the decreasing way too. This is for better control to gain. If you practice in this manner of increasing and decreasing, you will gain more control of your laya. In this manner, ta ka di mi tak 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 ka di mi ta ka di mi ta. We shall repeat this once again for your practice. Ta ka di mi tak 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 ka di mi ta ka di mi tak ka di mi ta ka di mi ta. For those who could not see the tala being put here very clearly, I shall show it like this so for your for better understanding. Ta ka di mi tak 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 ka di mi ta ka di mi ta. So that completes our Chatursha Jati in Chatursha Ekatalam in 3 speeds.